everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate music class enrollment via WhatsApp. So I run a music class and want to automate student enrollment, class scheduling and instrument selection by WhatsApp automatically. So for that I am going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to save my time. So firstly in this video we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this chatbot or this automation, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate class enrollment by WhatsApp. So right before you on my screen you can see this is the flow I have created for creating the chatbot, and this chatbot is going to save the time by reducing manual workload, as it can interact with the customers or the clients 24/7 even when you are busy or unavailable. So you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for your own business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. And now I am going to show you the process of creating this WhatsApp chatbot, but before that I am going to show you the real working of this chatbot. So for that let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as my test number. So here I am going to enter a message that is I want to enroll in music class, and here as I have entered this message I am getting a welcome message which says, hi, welcome to Melody Academy, what would you like to do? And here we are getting two buttons, that is enroll now and view courses. So now let's select our first button, that is enroll now, and as I have selected my first button, that is enroll now, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter the instrument which I want to learn. So now let's enter the name as guitar, and as I have entered my instrument name I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my preferred batch. So now I am going to enter my preferred batch over here, and here I have entered my preferred batch also, and as I have entered my batch I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I am going to enter my full name as demo user. So here I have entered my name, and as I have provided my name I am getting a confirmation message that is you are successfully enrolled, we will share class details soon. And afterwards we are getting the second button, that is view courses, and as I have selected my second button, that is view courses, I am getting a message which consists of the list of the courses. So now let's open this list and check the courses, and here you can see we are getting some of the courses. So now let's select our first course, that is guitar course, and as I have selected this first course I am getting a message which consists of the details of this course. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. So you can also create a chatbot like this for enhancing your users experience. For that you just have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can simply click over this sign in, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow you get 100 free credits every month for practicing the chatbot. And now I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us, and if you wish to join the Pabbly community you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to the Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over the sign in, as I already have an account on Pabbly Chatflow, and once you finish your sign up you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly, and as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app. For that you simply have to click over this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow which can be seen here, and on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. And if you want to learn more about this process of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, and as we are going to create a chatbot we firstly have to create a flow for that which can be seen on the sidebar, and if you want to learn more about these features you can find video link in the description given below. And now let's click over this flows for creating our WhatsApp chatbot, and as you will click over the flows you will be landed to the flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows I have created. And if you want to create your own flow you simply have to click over this add flow button, and you will be landed to the flow page, and here you can see in this flow page we are getting the option for entering the flow name. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. So here I am providing it the name name automate music class enrollment by WhatsApp, and here you can provide name according to you. Now moving on forward, we are getting the option for triggers. So trigger is basically the action which is going to initiate a chatbot, and on this trigger we are getting many trigger events, but here I am going to keep it as the same, that is keyword rejects match. And now you might be thinking, what is this keyword and reject? So keywords are the words which initiate a chatbot. Now let's say I want to initiate my chatbot as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word. So for that you simply have to type that word and press the enter key, and here our one keyword is ready. Now as soon as someone will send me a message consisting of this word, my chatbot will be initiated, and afterwards we are getting the option for reject. So reject is basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input, and if you want to trigger any message you can enter rejects like this. And as I have created my keyword, I will be removing this rejects from here. And as we are done with our trigger, now I am going to send a welcome message to my customer. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here I am getting the option for text button. So by selecting text button you will be getting this message node where you can enter the message which you want to send to your customers or the clients. So here I am going to enter a welcome message for my customers. So here you can see I have entered this welcome message for my customers, and now I am going to add some buttons to this message. So for that you simply have to click over this add button, and here you have to enter the text of your first button. So now let's enter the text and create our first button here. So here you can see I have created my first button, that is enroll now, and now I am going to create one more button likewise. So just click over this add button and enter the text of your another button. So here I have created my two buttons. Now as soon as someone selects this first button, that is enroll now, I am going to ask some questions from them. So for that you simply have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. So you just have to select it and you will be getting this question action where you can enter the question which you want to ask from your customers or the clients. So now let's firstly connect this enroll now button with this question node, and here I am going to enter a question. So here I am going to enter this question, that is which instrument would you like to learn, and afterwards we are getting the option for selecting the contact custom field. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created. You can also create your own contact custom field. For that you simply have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. But before that you have to click over the save button and save your flow so that your data doesn't get lost. And once you will click over the contact custom fields, you will be landed to the contact custom fields page, which can be seen here. And here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created, and if you want to create your own contact custom field you simply have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name, and afterwards you simply have to click over the save button for saving your contact custom field. And now as I have already created my contact custom field, I am going to select it. So for that let's move on to my Pabbly Chatflow, and here I am going to select my contact custom field as instrument, and afterwards I am going to select my format as any. And as we are done with our first question, I am going to ask some more questions likewise. So here I have entered two more questions where I am asking for the batch, where I have selected the contact custom field as batch, and afterwards I have entered the question asking for the full name, where I have selected the contact custom field as full name, and the format I have selected is any. Now if my user provide me all these details, I am going to send them a confirmation message. So for that let's drag and drop, and here I am going to select text button for entering my thank you or the confirmation message. So here you can see I have entered this thank you or the confirmation message. So with this we are done with our first button. Now let's enhance our second button, that is view courses. So I am going to provide the list of the courses. So for that you just have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for list. So by selecting list you will be getting this list node where you can create your own list. And now in this list message you can see we are getting the option for entering the header, body and footer for the list. So now I am going to provide a body to my list here. So here you can see I have entered this body for my list. Now I am going to add some items to this list. So for that you simply have to click over this add section, and here you have to provide the section title. So now I am going to provide my section title as courses. So here I have provided my section title. Now I am going to add some items to this list. So for that you simply have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title of your first item. So now I am going to enter my title of the first item as guitar. So now let's enter the title and create our first item of the list. So here you can see I have created the first item of my list, and now I am going to create some more items likewise. So here you can see I have added two more items to my list, that is piano course and vocal training. And afterwards, as soon as my user selects any of these items, I am going to provide them description of these courses. So for that you just have to drag and drop, and here I am going to select text button where I am going to enter the detail of this course. So now let's select it and enter the details of the course in the message note. So here you can see that I have entered the detail of this course in this message note, and likewise I am going to provide the details of these another courses also. So here I have provided the description of all these 3 courses. With this we are done with our second button also. Now we just have to save this flow. So for that you simply have to click over the save button, and here you can see we are getting this pop-up which says flow updated successfully. Means we have successfully saved our flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customer and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that you simply have to click over the inbox given on the sidebar, and you will be landed to the inbox page where you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and on this particular number you can see I'm successfully receiving message from my customers and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point has to be noticed that this is following the path which we have created through a flow. Means if a user sends us a message, we are going to send them a welcome message, and if the user selects our first button, that is enroll now, we are going to ask them a question regarding the instrument which they want to learn. So with this we are done with the creation and testing of our WhatsApp chatbot. So you can also create a WhatsApp chatbot for enhancing your business and providing a better experience to your users or the clients. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing automations like this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want to practice this chatbot, you can find its link in the description given below. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.